Hey there, gorgeous. Have you ever wondered how some people always look effortlessly fresh and put together? Well, today I'm sharing my secrets to looking polished every single day without spending hours in front of the mirror. And trust me, I've been there running late, feeling tired, and looking like I just rolled out of bed. But over time, I've learned some simple but powerful habits that make all the difference. Ready? Let's dive in. Before watching the video, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you want more content like this. Tip 1. Start with a solid skincare routine. Morning musts: cleanse, moisturize, and always wear sunscreen. Seriously, SPF is your best friend. Nighttime essentials: double cleanse, nourish with a good serum, and never ever sleep with makeup on. If your skin looks healthy, you already look 10 times fresher effortlessly. Tip 2. Keep your hair clean and styled. Messy, greasy hair instantly makes you look tired. The trick is to find a simple hairstyle that suits you. No time to wash? Dry shampoo is a lifesaver. Want instant elegance? A sleek ponytail or a loose bun works every time. Love effortless waves? Braid your hair overnight for natural, heat-free curls. The goal? Hair that looks neat and intentional. Even on lazy days, a little effort goes a long way. Tip 3. Master the art of minimal makeup. My go-to routine: tinted moisturizer for a healthy glow, concealer to brighten under the eyes, goodbye tired look, a bit of blush to bring life to the face, mascara and lip balm for that fresh, natural finish. This takes just 5 minutes but makes you look awake and put together. Even on no makeup days, curled lashes and hydrated lips make all the difference. Tip 4. Dress with intention, even at home. I used to think looking polished meant wearing fancy clothes all the time. But nope, it's all about choosing outfits that fit well, feel good, and look intentional. Stick to simple, well-fitted basics: a crisp white shirt, comfy jeans, a structured blazer. Neutral and classic colors make mixing and matching effortless. Even casual outfits look polished when paired with clean shoes and a structured bag. And yes, even at home. Trust me, ditching those oversized pajamas works wonders for your confidence. Tip 5. Take care of your posture and energy. You know what makes someone instantly look fresh and elegant? Confidence. Stand tall, shoulders back, head high. Walk with purpose, even if it's just to the kitchen. Smile often. It's the best beauty secret ever. How you carry yourself changes how people perceive you. And most importantly, it changes how you feel about yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, confidence starts with self-care, and you deserve to feel amazing every single day. Stay positive, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.